You know, guys, this could rival one of the coldest days I've ever ridden, because it's 24, feels like 11, and it's super windy. I did take a bike out, the yellow Kawasaki. I took the ZR7S out. Come on, Maggie. Hondas don't like the cold. I had this warmed up earlier. I should have rode it then. Hondas don't love the cold. I just want to make sure this thing is riding correctly, because my dad wants a bike down at his place. So, take it for a quick spin. Make sure everything's good. And then we'll load it up on the trailer. Dad got a trailer. Dads are awesome. My dad's awesome. Alright, so she's running. I think that's the one that's giving me the carb issues. This is the one we took the carb bowls off and cleaned them up and fixed them. So hopefully that's true. I'm not going to go far. I just need to get this puppy out and give her a rip. Let's check lights. Brake. Brake. Good, good. Alright, everything's frozen. Horn. Left. Right. That should do it. High. Low, high, low, high, low. Alright, cool. Everything's good. Are you ready? I'm not ready. It's freezing. I had guys come up for the CVR today. And, yeah. Is this thing frozen in place? Oh, something. Alright. Everything's frozen. Clutch. Alright, we're getting it. I should have brought WD-40 out. Everything's just a little bit frozen. The brakes are dragging in the front. That's not good. My brakes. Well, now I'm in gear. Oh, that's no good. Buddy. Alright, I think they're freeing up a little bit. No, they're still dragging. Come on. That's not helpful. Is it my rear brake? We can't go as far as I thought. She's not warmed up. So hopefully those brakes unfreeze. Whoa. She's cold. Feels like 11. Alright. Well, I want to see. Are we going to slow down without brakes? Front brake feels a little touchy. Guys, I'm going to recommend not keeping your bikes outside. Stuff like this happens. Turn off the choke. Alright, I think she's running right. Just got to get those brakes from seizing up. And like I said, Hondas are cold-blooded. They don't like the cold. I should have let her warm up a lot longer than I did. my brakes is just dragging. It's gotten a little better, but we got to take off the front caliper probably and push the pistons back. Get them moving again. It's a little corroded probably. I think she'll be running fine. Maybe. She's fighting me. This poor guy's sitting outside, not getting ridden, just getting hit by the weather. Not good for him at all. So cold. Bring your bikes in, they get cold too. Alright, I think she's okay. This is not a good example, but she seems like she's fine. Let's see, can we roll back? Not really, a little bit. It's getting better. We need to lube everything up. I think she's running good. Yeah, it's freeing up a little bit. We'll have to do a little bit of maintenance. Enough. We'll get her on the trailer, take her to Dad's. She can sit inside. I can pick at her when I have time. All good, no problems that we can't solve. I'll see you guys on the next one. Get out and ride. Don't get in the mud. Alright, here we go. 3. What am I in? First? Alright, I'm in first. Now I'm in neutral. That's not gonna help. I barely ever get to ride a bike into a trailer. Oh, the thing's flipped up. No, that's not helpful. I was gonna try and make this easy. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Get out and ride. 11 degrees. Love you. Bye.